Guys, are you wondering how you can remove all those bunch of information that you'll be searching on YouTube? Don't worry, I get you covered. In this video, I will show you how you can remove all those bunch of information. What you need to do is for you to go to your YouTube, just like what you're seeing here, all this information. For example, now this is the YouTube, and you come to this place that says search. This very place, just follow the arrow button, this very place. And then once you click on that search, you see a whole lot of information that you have been searching on YouTube. These are the information. So now, how do you remove them? It's very simple. I'm going to show you the easy method on how you can remove all this bunch of information from your search button on YouTube. So what you need to do, you click on any of these ones, just hold it, just press your hand. If you are using an Android phone, just press your hand, and then you see this option that says remove, just like this. Just this one, remove. We have the cancel. So just touch the remove button, just touch remove, and it will actually remove. So this is how you highlight all these things and then remove them one after the other. Just click and then remove, click and remove, click and remove, click and remove. Just hold it tight, just hold, hold, remove, hold and remove. Just hold it and then remove it. You can hold this one and then you remove it. So this is how you hold and remove all the informations that you actually on your search, on your YouTube search bar. So this is how you remove them. If you want to actually remove it, if you want to watch more videos on how you can do more things, join my YouTube channel, subscribe and like this video, share and tell me where you're watching me from for more videos.